Why has Forex trading become a popular pastime for Japanese housewives? Now that's a question worth exploring. Forex trading, or foreign exchange trading, is a global marketplace where all the world's currencies trade. It's the largest and most liquid market in the world, with millions of traders participating every day. Forex trading has surged in popularity over the years, and it's not just for financial whizzes or Wall Street hotshots. It's for anyone with an internet connection, a little bit of money to invest, and a desire to take control of their financial future. Now, let's take a journey to the land of the rising sun and discover a surprising trend. In the bustling cities and quiet suburbs of Japan, a new group of traders is emerging: housewives. Yes, you heard that right. Japanese housewives, known as FX ladies or Mrs. Watanabes, are taking the Forex trading world by storm. This might seem unusual at first glance. Why would someone who's busy with household chores and family responsibilities delve into the complex world of Forex trading? Well, there are several reasons. Firstly, these women are seeking financial independence. They want to contribute to their household income and secure their financial future. Forex trading offers them a flexible way to achieve this goal. They can trade from the comfort of their homes at any time that suits them. Secondly, the accessibility of Forex trading platforms has made it easier for anyone to get involved. With a computer or smartphone and a reliable internet connection, these women can access the global Forex market, learn about trading strategies, and start making trades. Lastly, there's a sense of empowerment that comes from mastering a new skill. For these housewives, Forex trading is not just a means to make money. It's a challenging and exciting activity that stimulates their intellectual curiosity and gives them a sense of achievement. The rising number of Japanese housewives in Forex trading is not a random occurrence. There are compelling reasons behind this trend. As we delve deeper, it's clear that this is a fascinating intersection of culture, gender, and finance, and we're just scratching the surface. Imagine a typical day in the life of a Japanese housewife, but with a twist. Meet Yumi, a successful Forex trader. As the sun peaks over the horizon, Yumi's day begins. With the precision of a seasoned maestro, she orchestrates the symphony of her home life while simultaneously delving into the bustling world of Forex trading. One minute she's preparing breakfast for her family, the next, she's analyzing currency trends on her laptop. Yumi's journey into Forex trading wasn't a planned one. It began on a whim, a curiosity piqued by a friend's casual mention of foreign exchange markets. But as Yumi delved deeper, she found herself drawn to the dynamic, ever-changing landscape of Forex trading. It was a world far removed from her daily chores and routines, a world where she could flex her analytical muscles and make strategic decisions. But the road to success wasn't smooth. In the beginning, Yumi grappled with complex charts, fluctuating rates, and the daunting task of understanding economic indicators. She faced losses, and there were days filled with frustration and disappointment. Yet Yumi didn't give up. She was determined to understand the intricacies of the Forex market. With each setback, she learned, adapted, and improved. She spent countless hours studying, practicing, and refining her trading strategies. Her dedication was unwavering, her resolve unyielding. Today, Yumi is a successful Forex trader. She's not just a housewife managing her household, but a savvy trader navigating the tumultuous waves of the foreign exchange market. She's found a way to balance her responsibilities at home with her passion for Forex trading, proving that it's entirely possible to juggle domestic life with a thriving trading career. Yumi's story is not just about her success in Forex trading, it's about her perseverance, her tenacity, and her unwavering belief in herself. It's about breaking away from traditional roles and carving out a unique path. And most importantly, it's about finding financial independence in an unexpected place. Yumi's story is a testament to the potential of Forex trading as a viable avenue for financial growth and independence. What's the secret behind Yumi's success in Forex trading? Let's delve into the strategy that drives her success. Yumi's trading approach is rooted in discipline, risk management, and a thirst for knowledge. Like many of us, Yumi didn't start with an innate understanding of Forex trading. It was her willingness to learn, grow, and adapt that set her on the path to success. Forex trading is a field that requires a keen understanding of global economics and financial markets. Yumi, like many successful traders, took the time to learn these concepts, studying market trends, understanding economic indicators, and keeping a close eye on global events that could impact the Forex market. But it's not just about the knowledge, it's about how you use it. Yumi's discipline plays a pivotal role in her trading strategy. This isn't a game of chance, it's a game of calculated risks. She sets strict rules for herself, deciding beforehand when to enter and exit trades based on her risk tolerance and market analysis. She doesn't let fear or greed dictate her decisions. Instead, she relies on her planning and research. Risk management is another cornerstone of Yumi's strategy. In Forex trading, losses are a part of the game. Yumi doesn't shy away from this reality. Instead, she plans for it. By setting a limit to how much she's willing to lose on a single trade, she ensures that a loss won't wipe her out of the game. But Yumi's journey isn't a solitary one. The role of online resources and communities cannot be downplayed. From learning new strategies to discussing market trends, these platforms provide a wealth of information and a support network for traders like Yumi. So what's the secret behind Yumi's success in Forex trading? It's a combination of knowledge, patience, and emotional control, along with a disciplined approach to risk management. Success in Forex trading is not about luck, it's about strategy, discipline, and continuous learning. Forex trading is more than just a hobby for these Japanese housewives. Let's take Yumi as an example. Once a full-time homemaker, Yumi has now transformed into a successful Forex trader, juggling both her household chores and her trading activities with precision and grace. For Yumi and many like her, Forex trading has become a beacon of financial independence. No longer solely reliant on their spouses for financial support, these housewives now have a source of income that they can call their own. The thrill of making profitable trades and seeing their account balance grow has ignited a sense of achievement and self-worth within them. But the impact of Forex trading goes beyond individual empowerment. It has the potential to significantly contribute to household income. Imagine a household where both partners are generating income. This not only improves the family's financial health but also provides a safety net in case of economic downturns or personal emergencies. Now let's zoom out a bit and look at the bigger picture. Forex trading by Japanese housewives is not just an individual or family phenomenon, it has societal implications as well. The traditional role of a housewife in Japanese society is evolving. These women are breaking stereotypes and challenging societal norms. They are demonstrating that it's possible to manage a home and also participate actively in the financial markets. They are proving that traditional roles can be reshaped, that women can be homemakers, and also contribute significantly to the economy. This trend of Forex trading housewives is also contributing to the diversity in the Forex market. It's bringing in fresh perspectives and trading styles, enriching the market dynamics. It's a testament to the fact that the Forex market is for everyone, and not just for the Wall Street elites. In conclusion, the impact of Forex trading on these Japanese housewives is profound. It's empowering them, enhancing their family's financial health, and reshaping societal norms. Forex trading is reshaping the traditional role of housewives in Japanese society. The world of Forex trading is open to everyone, including Japanese housewives. This statement captures the essence of our exploration today. It's a testament to the fact that gender, occupation, or cultural background pose no barriers to the world of financial trading. Indeed, it's a realm where determination, strategy, and wit are the only prerequisites. The journey of Japanese housewives into Forex trading is a compelling tale of empowerment. It's not just about women taking control of their financial futures. It's about breaking the mold, shattering stereotypes, and rewriting the narrative. These women, often perceived as mere homemakers, are proving to be savvy traders, charting their course in the turbulent waters of financial markets. We've seen how strategic thinking and risk management are integral to their success. Japanese housewives aren't just dabbling in Forex trading, they're mastering it. They're employing sophisticated strategies, studying market trends, and making calculated decisions. It's a testament to their diligence, intelligence, and adaptability. Forex trading's potential as a tool for financial growth is immense. It's a dynamic 24-hour market that offers numerous opportunities for profit. But beyond the potential earnings, it's the sense of empowerment and independence that truly stands out. Forex trading allows these women to assert their financial autonomy, to make decisions that directly impact their lives and those of their families. The impact of their success extends beyond the individual. It's reshaping societal perceptions, challenging traditional gender roles, and inspiring a new generation of female traders. Forex trading has become a beacon of possibility, a tool of empowerment, and a catalyst for change. As we've learned from Japanese housewives like Yumi, Forex trading is not just about making money, it's about empowerment, independence, and breaking stereotypes. These women are not only reshaping their lives but also influencing the world of Forex trading. Their story is a testament to the power of determination, the allure of financial independence, and the transformative potential of Forex trading.